I come to tell you today that with hard work, patience, dedication, delayed gratification, and discipline, you'll be able to do what you want to do with your life. Goals, dreams, whatever you have. This week was my best trading week I have ever had in the history of me trading. I went 10-0, did not lose a single trade this week, and I am on a 19 win streak, which is crazy. It's just a number, I know, but still, man, 19 trades in a row, winners. I've never done that before. My previous win streak that was like almost a month ago was 15 in a row, and we broke that. This week also, I passed my 50K valuation on Apex Trader Funding. Nothing will happen overnight. I've been trading for 2.5 years. I always knew that one day I would figure it out. I would get good at trading, but I didn't know when and I didn't know how I was going to get good at it. I want to tell you that for you to get good at trading, you need a data sheet. You need to know what you're looking at. There's so many strategies on YouTube. Everybody's like, oh, this is 80%. This is 90%. This is 100% win rate. Matter of fact, there's no such thing as 100% win rate. Everything that makes your strategy like it is good is your psychology. So if people are producing these strategies that are 80% win rate, you don't need to take their word for it. You need to go back test. For me, it took 300 trades of the model that I built back testing for me to finally realize, oh my gosh, if I input this, the output is this. You have to understand, not every single trade is going to win. That is a game that you're playing. You're guaranteed to lose. You're not guaranteed to win in trading. Everybody tells you whenever you first get in trading, oh, you're gonna lose. Everybody lose so much money. People lose their ass, their house, their life savings. Yes, that actually does happen, and it can happen to you. But it can also not happen to you. And for it to not happen to you, you need data. 300 backtesting trades I took that helped me kind of realize this is what I need to do. After I did that, I obviously needed to learn how to manage my emotions. So I started streaming, took 100 trades live on stream, and we figured out how to manage our emotions. A lot has happened the past 4 months. I just want to say that whenever I first started trading 2.5 years ago, I did not have a strategy. I did not have a plan. I did not have any data. I was buying signals. I was getting scammed by people who were just trying to take my money. I've had a lot of bad experiences in the trading industry, and I didn't quit. I saw the picture that you can make a lot of money in trading, but you can't do that until you have a strategy, you have data, you actually can see where you need to improve on your data, you actually know what trades you're taking. Journaling your data, journaling your trades is probably the best thing that you can do to become successful at a faster rate. For me, I spent 2 years around and finding out.
I'm not staying around to find out.
Pressing buttons. I had no idea what I was doing. I was revenge trading. I was relying on others. I wasn't trusting my analysis. I had no confidence in myself. My psychology was terrible. I can't even tell you how many challenge accounts I've blown. On myforexfunds alone, I blew 200. Before that, I lost thousands of dollars. I wasted money. I would go through buy a 100K account, blow it in 2 days, be down $500. Bro, I have been there. I have done it. I know what you're experiencing if you are experiencing that. All I gotta say is, if you're experiencing those things, you need to start collecting data. You can make it in trading. You really can, bro. You just have to be able to collect data. You have to know what you're trading. You have to have a model. Stop relying on other people. If you want to take somebody's strategy, take their strategy and fucking backtest it. Don't just take their word for it, because you need to be able to have data and confidence in yourself of okay, I'm taking this trade right now. There should be no hesitation on execution. And that happens whenever you gain confidence in the strategy through backtesting and then live testing for trading, because you're learning now how to manage your emotions. Everybody told me to do that in the very beginning, everybody. And I didn't do it. I just around and found out, like I said. For you to be successful in trading, you really got to collect data, bro. Data is really important for your psychology, and it's also important for your confidence. Those two things help you be successful in trading. Hard work is paying off, but that didn't just happen overnight. It took 2.5 years for me to be able to actually be confident in my trading ability, for me to be consistent, and now I'm working on profitability. I've been funded before. I've been funded with other forex prop firms. I blew those accounts the next day because I still didn't have a strategy. I still didn't have a plan. I was just pressing buttons. I was coming in the market trying to make money. I don't even care about money anymore. It's all about the skill set. The skill set is so much more important to me than making money, because having the skill set allows you to make money.
And nobody can take that away from you.
The money is the outcome of the input that you're putting in work to make yourself good at trading. You have to learn how to lose. You have to learn how to lose. If you don't learn how to lose, you won't win for a long term, because if you don't know how to lose, you're going to try and chase that back. If you have a strategy and you understand your strategy, you know that you're going to have another opportunity to take a trade, even though this one just lost. So go collect your data. Out of 100 trades, 80 of them will win on my strategy. 81 will win now. That's crazy to me, but that didn't just happen overnight. I had to actually put in the work, put in the work. The biggest contributor to my success is seeing this guy on Donvo stream trading, and he just showed how you're supposed to trade. All the talks he had with psychology, collecting data, sample sizing, everything. I took that in. I said, damn, this dude is real. I don't care if other people say whatever about him. I've been in this industry. I know what a scammer is. I've been scammed before. I can spot a scammer from miles away. Donvo is not one of those people. This dude really cracked my head open to where I could see how you're supposed to trade. Taking what the market gives you is one of the biggest things that I've learned just from trading. It's okay to take profit. It's okay to not hold the whole RR, because you can't force RR. Making 0.5% or percent a day is fine, because whenever your trades lose and you're risk managing well, you're only going to lose 0.5%, 0.25%, 1%. But if your strategy is over 51%, you're going to be profitable at the end of the day. Take that in. Take that in. Don't force anything. Stop FOMOing. Stop being on the charts all day. You need to pick a session, you need to pick a time, you need to move the fuck on with your day with a win or a loss. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here on my journey. Thank you for watching the streams. My journey is now turning into the road to profitability. So I just want to say all glory to God. All glory to him. People talk about praying and blah, 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 doing all that stuff. Yes, you should do that. If you believe in God, whoever that is, whatever God that is to you, believe in him. Pray. God can help you hold your hand, but you have to do it. Just like I had to do it. Just like I prayed to God all the time. Even the gym, God gave me the gym for this tool to use to better myself. Now I used that tool. He can't just make you do something. You have to do it. So you know what you're doing wrong. So start journaling your trades, start getting data, start being disciplined. Those three things helps consistency. Those three things help profitability. Those things help psychology. So please stop being a jackass when you trade. Stop being irresponsible with your money. This is some real. You can really make money, but does your psychology work? And if the answer is no, there's something you got to work on. First things first, go collect some data. Become confident. I mean, I'm super excited, super pumped that I got funded. It's just, it's just another thing though. Like, my strategy works. I know it works. So that is the output of the input of me working on my strategy, passing challenges, getting money. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this video. That's all I got to say.